Now today's topic get soon cat will indirectly list soon sport training and launch hodler airdrop 2025 5 20 11 22 13 UTC views 29,709. Get will list soon sport training and launch hodler airdrop user holding it list. One GT can share 166,667 soon token for free. The holder airdrop is absolutely for GT holders after the soon airdrop concludes for no funds will be declared from participations. Join now airdrop details hodler airdrop and time May 32 23 23 3rd 2025 7 o'clock UTC. Total supply 166,667 soon unlocking result 100 percentage unlocking trading starts May 23 23 2025 at 11 o'clock UTC. Trending pair soon USDT. Participation rules: complete identification and hold at least one GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holdings. S- uh, s- Snapshots, participation protection, the maximum participation limited for each user in this event in a 5,000 GT. How to claim the airdrop: login and complete identification. Go to launch pool, select hodler airdrop, hold at least one GT, click join now. Hodler airdrop FAQs about soon has three main products. Soon struck is the first SVM roll up stuck to begin bright um, US SVM roll up is stuck to bring Solana to all ecosystem. Currently, five soon chain lives. Interzone is the messaging protocol allowing seamless communications between soon chains and major ecosystem. Simple fun is the unmated crypto trading platform allowing user to crypto trading the best token best trader in the world. Token name soon, token symbol soon, maximum supply max supply 1 billion. Token type as Solana SOLBSC. Token ID solscan.io. Token 4EDF 52YYZL 616GBZ6FXQRLUPXBTPG1 F1 GPSFM 66M4XHE basescan point dot com. Token OXB9E1F D5AO2DE A33B25A146 D661414, E6E D6954A721. Token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Soonest 5 percentage TGE, 100 percentage sooner 8 percentage 3 months linear vision soon squared 8 percentage 6 month clef and 12-month linear vision soon fill 8 percentage 12 percentage clef and 36 month linear vision community increasing for feature products 10 percentage TGE 20 percentage less is the rest over 36 month airdrop for sooner and soon squared holder 12 percentage TGE 17 percentage listed the rest over 12-month ecosystem 25 percentage. Thanks a lot everyone joining me. Thank you so much guys joining my live stream. Please like and follow me. TGE 5 percentage listed the rest over 12-month foundation 6 percentage 12-month clap 36-month linear released team 10 percentage 12-month clap 36-month linear release website website so dot network white paper uh, USC's dot network introducing white paper cat labs investment get labs did not interest in a soon North get token GT is the unique exchange token of get exchange and the negative token to the get chain public chain hold chain or hold GT now www.get.com trade GT USDT. Please complete identification before participating in a startup to enhance the security of your account and assist. Please adhere to the relevant rule of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited on announcement. And any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the reward. We where any disparity races between the translated and original English version and English version shall prevail. Reservices all rights to the final explanation. User in the until kingdom and other listed location cannot assist the services including participating in this event game or competition. See the user agreement for future further details on registered location. The risk bearing The Holder Airdrop project is a blockchain startup and is still in its early stages. The project operation underlying technology and laggard environment may pose a significant risk. The project team does not that the token price will not be lower than its sale price. Please invest with caution and does not invest beyond your final capacity. The Holder airdrop project is still in its internal stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technology and financial knowledge is required to understand and available the inherent risk of a crypto assist investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate due to technology, regulatory, and market factors. Team Get Team May 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 3,800 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in a welcome reward. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Cat's official website. Download the Cat app. Desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss these training topics. Join our team community to discussing training topics with our global community for the latest. Click 100% proof for reservices. Extract Solana level performs on every blockchain. Start building 30k transaction per second, 50 ms, the most real time blockchain so far. uh, $0.01 transaction fees, dollars 14.87 million total value locked. Total transaction 28 billion 589,041. Total active addresses 1,439,390 total active addressing 1,439,349. CZBNB Torley Jesse Bessie media coverage. Soon Network make SVM get again soon. Soon first to SVM roll up dribbling high performance to every L1 starting with Ethereum, BNB and base. Super adoption stuck. SVM adoption, launch your own Solana. SAS is designed as a comprehensive suite of interoperable tools to create a fully interoperable blockchain ecosystem. It combines three core components: Soon, mainnet, Soon Stuck, and InterSoon. Soon mainnet, Soon Stuck, Soon InterSoon. Soon mainnet, traveling Solana level performers to BNB chain, Ethereum and Base. SVM, BNB, SVM roll up on BNB chain. Soon Ethereum, the first negative SVM roll up on Ethereum. Soon Base, the first SVM roll up on Base. Soon Stuck is a high performance roll up struct by powered by decoupled SVM. Every project can launch your own Solana. We Solana's rest is one click development. InterSoon across chain, meaning messaging protocol connecting Soon chains to major layer 1 ecosystem. The inner Soon tone Solana negative bring is now live. Crore technical innovations decoupled SVM soon soon blogs soon base mainnet is now live on base. Introducing soon big bang season 1 and coming soon NFT until SVM BNB mainnet launch, bringing Solana to the BNB ecosystem. Introducing April 29, 2025. Introducing simple sim for introducing sim for fun, the on chain for Solana powered by Soon. Supported by the industry leaders Hacks VC, ABCDE, SNZ Capital, IDG Capital, MHPAKA, and more co-builders from network ecosystem learn blocks jobs. Now white paper. Soon white paper introducing the following white paper is not the final vision? Soon white paper January 2025. SVM introducing what is the SVM, other blockchain, Stone Vision, technical architectures, Soon Mainnet, Soon Stuck, Interzone refreshing, introducing what is BSVM, EVM ecosystem, Get.io soon, hash get a soon, SVM, get.com, my account, get per deposit soon to earn dollars 30,000 soon airdrops. Launch pool quick staking earn quick staking earn potential new tokens dollars 602.9 million struck dollars 26.95 b funds listed 5.19 million plus participation dollars 1.34 million total rewards. About Launchpool, subscribed all pools 249 in a progress 5 incoming in 244 in a progress TGT will take Web3 coming to the next level as the only platform featuring total rewards TGT total rewards 5,250,000 TGT stacking period 10 days and the time 2025 5:31 17 o'clock minimum ends in 8 days 20 hours 60 minutes and 51 seconds. BTC pool, Ethereum pool, TGT pool. BTC pool stuck BTC and earned TGT 3,550,000 APR 3.32 percentage participates 2,889 total stacked 5,137.17 BTC individual stacking cap VIP 10 BTC stack. Ethereum pool stack Ethereum and earn TGT rewards TGT 1 1,002,000 APR 4.94 percentage participates, 2,887 total stacked, 64,910.02 Ethereum. Individual stacking cap VIP 300 Ethereum, TGT pool stacking TGT and earn TGT, reward TGT 5,000, rewards TGT 5 million, 5 lakh, APR 426.54 percentage participates, 3,235 total stacked, 5,837,446.96 TGT. GIZA BTC pool, Ethereum pool, GIZA total reward 1 million 4,000, 1,428,571 point GIZA. Stacking period 7 days. End the time 2025 8 5 28 17 o'clock. GT pool stacked GT and earn, um, reward reward of 150,000 APR 5.31 percentage participate, 12,483 total stacked, 1,960,000 to 525.06 GT. USDT pool stacked USDT and earn, um, reward 50,000 APR 52.26 percentage participate for 1,044 total stacked, 1 million 500,000, 237.12 USDT. NXPC pool, NXPC in a progress. Maple Story Inverse is built on the Honesties L1 and will integrate the total reward 1 million X NXPC, staking period 10 days, and the time 2025 5/20 11 o'clock. NXPC pool reward NXPC 1 million, APR 19.28 percentage participate, 22,226 total stacked, 14,000, 14 billion 2,248,100, 601 total stacked, 14 billion 270,000 601 NXPC. OBOL, BTC pool, GT pool, OBOL in a progress. OBOL exists to distributed, decentralized, and democracies and digital. Total rewards 2 million, 2,000, 2 million total reward, 2,250,000 OBOL. Stacking period 20 days and the time 2025 527 17 o'clock. Get launch pool FAQ. Um, Launch pool update on 5 2021 2025 25 251,000 21,475 views, like 785. What is Get Launch Pool? Launch Pool. Get Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hard and new coin with uh, with low entry barriers and high APR. Is the uh, un, APR is the ultimate platform for effectively capturing market opportunities. How can I participate in a Get.io launch pool? First, log into your Get account and negative to the Get Launch Pool page. Then close the project you want to participate in and stake your assist. Check the participation guide. Which coin can I stake in a Get Launch Pool? The token eligible for participating will be announced on the minimum page of each project. Please visit the uh, page of the Get Launch Pool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewarded? Hourly stacking reward individual latest 1 hour well stacking amount, total pool stacking amount, multiplication, hourly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots for personal stacking amounts. Each hours the platform each hour the platform each hours and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. How are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots for personal stacking amount. Hourly and token reward are distributed to eligible user on hourly earns will be distributed into user spot accounts. When will the staked assist the remaining after the user remains in a advance for the stacking in a completely the stacking assist will be transferred to simple earned by difficult it if this option is unchecked, the stacked assist will be remanded into spot assist. If the count of remanded assist is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple earn, the assist will be uh, automatically transfer to spot assist. It's simple and us to spot the claim of the remanded token. The assist will also be uh, automatically transferred to spot assist. Can I remain my stake assist at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour and calculate the valued staking amount. However, early definition may result in the loss of rewards. Please maintain stable staking amount to ensure meeting rewards. In addition, each staking pool in a progress and daily recommendation limited. Individual user can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Please plan your uh, uh, deployments carefully to maximum your rewards and avoid any participational impact on your earnings. Can I add additional staking assist? You can increase use stacked assist at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater you potential meaning reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, will you no longer user stacking rewards? Can I participate in a multiple project at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stake in a different pools to receive a new token, meaning a reward for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you only stake assets in a pool A, you will not be able to option reward from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to option the crossing minimum reward of new tokens. What is the maximum meaning reward I can receive? How the hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is a different. Once the cap is reached on further staking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the minimum meaning page of the reward card cap hard cap, limited for each project. Will stacking assist in the get launch pool impact may vip level? No assist stacked in the Chitty pool will be included in the assist holding uh, calculation for holder airdrop launch pool and VIP where village. What will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In a case of early ending, your struct principal will be automatically remanded as soon as the project is ended, and you let interest will be distributed on our after the end time. The interest distribution for the ending will not be affected about annual processing rate APR. When the reward coin is the started coin, APR total reward listed in the last hours total stacked multiple 365 multiple 25 multiple multiplication 100 percentage. When the reward coin is not the stack coin, APR total reward listed in the last hour multiply closing price of the reward coin of the last hour. Last hour's total stacked multiple multiplication closing price of the stack coin of the last hour multiplication 30 365 multiplication 24 multiplication 100 percentage. The APR is an listed only the APR data is updated hourly. How to participate in a get launch pool? Update on 5/12 2025, 19,807 views, 46 likes. Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the unlimited platform for effectively capturing market opportunities. Stake to earn now. How to join Get Launch Pool and staking to earn? Log into your Get account and negative to Launch Pool app home Launch Pool web click earn Launch Pool. Choose a staking pool you want to join. Click stake. Enter the staking amount. Click claim and complete staking. View rewards in a reward history after successful staking. How to stake to earn? How to stake to earn? Notes. Please complete identification before participating in a launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. The stacked assets will be transferred to simple earn by difficult. If this option is unchecked, the stacked assets will be remanded into spot assets the will take multiple snapshots or personal staking amounts each hour and you can increase your staking assist at any time. Please maintain stable staking amount to ensure minimum rewards. All 237 in a progress, 2 incoming 0 and it 235 box get in progress, total airdrop 285,714 box get Participates 15,834 per GT 0.0873 box kit, and the time ends in a 17 hour 45 million. Soon. Soon in a progress, total airdrop 166,667. Soon participate 16,528 per GT 0.0257. Soon, and the 14 hour 45 minutes confirm claim for free. FAQ. How to participate in the hodler airdrop. As long as your GT holding in a get account is on no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrops uh, uh, without unlocking locking or stacking GT. Which account GT holdings will be included in the calculation. Total GT holding unfilled account, sport accounts, uh, copy training account, post account, financial account, and payment account. However, GT in a crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holding. Your final reward is based on your average holdings during the in project period. If you average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token reward is equal to your average hourly holdings. All participation average hourly holdings multiply by a multiplication total airdrop amount. What is per GT? Per GT is an value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the hodlers airdrop project. Will 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per gate will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holders for all participation and in undated wholly. Why are my holding conclude differently across projects? The system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holding uh, depending on on when you join each project. The calculated average holdings may vary in a theory. If you holding amount remains contact, you average our hourly holdings should be the same across all all projects you participate in? How is the individual participation cap? Different projects have a different individual participation limits. You can check the detail page or the event announcement for more information. Can I participate in a multiple project at the same time? You can participate in a multiple project. How will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and structure built within T plus 1 day after the project ends. You can check it anytime in the launch pool holder airdrop. Participation history. Launch pool holder airdrop participation history. Holder airdrop FAQ update on 5/11/2025 view 24,498 views, like 60. About holder airdrop, what is the holder airdrop? Airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT get token holders. Users only need to hold and creation amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on their holdings protection. What are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participants must complete identification and hold at least 1 GT. What is the cat holding participation limited? The GT holding participation limited may vary for each project. The specific limited will be creatively started in each project. An airdrop announcement. How are airdrop token distributed? We will talk and snapshots of your GT holding at the time of participation and at the end of the airdrop. Airdrop token will be distributed based on your GT holding proportion of the total snapshots amount. Large the holding, the more airdrop token you receive. How are airdrop token distributed? Token services main GT assist at airdrop participation, GT assist at airdrop, and total GT assist of all project participations. Multiplication total airdrop account distribute ordered to the nearest whole number. Can I participate in a multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements. You can participate in a multiple hodler airdrop. Will identify receive token if I participate? User holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop proved. They maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. How can I check my airdrop tokens? Review reward will be calculated and distributed within t plus 1 days after the project ends. You can check your participation history in a launch pool hodler airdrop. What should I do if I have received my airdrop tokens? If you did not receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you meet the participation create and confirm your chitty holding at the snapshot time. If the issue participates, please contact customer support. Soon project, dear. How to participate in a get hodler airdrop and is an absolutely free airdrop event for user holding GD get token. User only need to hold on less than 1 GT to claim free airdrops. Then more GT holdings, the more airdrop rewards. Claim free airdrop. Claim free airdrop. How to join get hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop. Oh my god. Log in to your get account and um, how to join get hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop. Log into your get account and negative to holder airdrop hodler airdrop app, click earn hodler airdrop web, click launch pool hodler airdrop. Select the in a progress project and click participate. Now the participation rules can be viewed the airdrop records or the project claim page. How to claim free airdrop at hodler airdrop. How to claim free airdrop. Okay. Startup referral kernel. Invite friends to register or participate in a startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. Oh, oh. Invite now. First time claim plus 100 stars. Ukraine KYC verified. Total stars zero stars available. Invite friends, earn stars, swap stars for shares. FAQs stars. What is startup stars? Startup stars is the exclusive reward of startup, which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars to swap shares for a project. You can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. How to earn startup stars. New user who complete a minimum of $10 in sport training volume within 3 days after registration on this page can earn 100% 100 startup stars. Extraining a user can invite new user to register on get.io or invite our user to participate in a startup for the first time. Both new users and user participating in a startup for the first time will be counted as your the system will daily calculate the training volume of your welding. How to swap startup stars. Every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use your startup stars when participating VIP free airdrops to claim extra free airdrop. Can I receive startup stars every day? For invite to earn startup stars are distributed daily in with the daily training volume of your invoice on in 30 days period and view the announcement for more details. The most invoices reach the volume requirement, the most startup stars you will receive. Can I claim both the VIP default shares of startup and startup star swapping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup star swapping shares or extra shares in a addition to your VIP default shares or startup. Um, can You can swap startup stars to receive extra shares to VIP free air drops. Where is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid, but the products upgrade or rules change may lead to the invalidity of the startup stars. Please use for star to swap shares. The sooner the better. How many startup stars can I learn my inviting friends? Startup stars will be awarded based on the first claim of your invited friends or their training volume completed within 30 days following the registration. Daily training volume USD dollars 1,000 minus dollars 3,000 3001 dollar 6001 dollar 6001 dollars 12,000. Cat will ultimately less soon sport training and launch hodler airdrop. Thanks a lot everyone joining my live stream. Please like and follow me everyone. Thanks a lot everyone. Beautiful day. Join me. Thanks a lot, ma'am, joining my live stream. Please like me, ma'am. Get will list soon. Sport training and launch. Hodler airdrop user holder at least one GT can share 166,667 soon tokens for free. The hodler airdrop is absolutely for GT holder. After the soon airdrop, on funds will be related from participations, airdrop details. About Soon has three main products. Soon stock is the first SVM roll up stock to bring Solana to all ecosystem. Currently, uh, five Soon chain lives. Intersoon is the messaging protocol allowing seamless communication between Soon chain and major ecosystems. Token name Soon, token symbol Soon, max supply 1 billion, token type Sol BSC, token D Solscan dot io token 4EDF52YY2 YYZL 6I6GBZ6FXQ RLUPXPTPG P61F1GPSFM66M416HE. Basiscan dot com token OXB9E1 F5 DFAO 2D3A33B 25A14 T661414 E6ED6954A721. Soonest 5 percentage TGE 100 percentage sooner 8 percentage 6 month linear vision soon squared 8 percentage 6 month clef and 12 month linear vision. Sida, join the live channel. Thanks, dear. Many thanks. Please, dear, like and follow me. Get user D3774B76. Join the live channel. Thanks, dear. Many thanks. Please, dear, like and follow me. Get user 747F6578B2. Join the live channel. Thanks, dear. Adam 70. Join the live channel. Thanks, dear. Get user 2D9286AFC. Join the live channel. Thanks to your beautiful day, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Join me. 2D173. Join me. Thanks, dear. HS Trend 12. Thanks a lot, dear, joining me.